Good morning. Today we are going to make a revision on lesson 1. Define the following: uniform speed, change of position by equal value in equal period of time, average speed, total distance divided by total time. Complete the following sentences. The result of multiplying a speed of a moving object by a time equal distance. Dots is defined as covered distance with a unit time speed. Speed measurement units are meter per second or kilometer per hour. The result of dividing the total distance that a moving object covers by the total time taken to cover this distance equal average speed. Write the scientific term. The distance that a moving object covers with a unit time speed. A moving object covers equal distances at equal periods of time, regular or uniform speed. The total distance that a moving object covers divided by the total time taken to cover this distance is average speed. The value of an object's speed relative to the observer is relative speed. What is meant by? Number 1, average speed of a moving car is 70 kilometers per hour. It means that total distance divided by the total time equal 70 kilometers per hour. Number B, a car moving at a uniform speed equal 80 kilometers per hour. It means that it covers every 80 kilometers in 1 hour. A moving car covers a distance of 100 kilometers in 2 hours. It means that speed equal 50 kilometers per hour. An object moving in a straight line covers a distance of 20 meters in 1 second. It means that its speed equal 20 meters per second. Question number 5. A boy on a bike covers 300 meters in a minute and 420 meters in the next minute. Calculate its average speed. Number A, during the first minute, distance over time 300 over 60 equal 5 meter per second. During the second minute, 420 over 60 equals 7 meter per second. Within the 2 minutes, we are going to make 300 plus 420 over 120, and the unit is meter per second. Lesson 2. Acceleration, put right or wrong. Acceleration is change in speed in unit time. The answer is 2. Movement is at uniform acceleration. The answer is if the object speed changes at equal values in equal time intervals. Question C. Which of the following graphs represents the movement of an object at constant speed? The answer is graph number 2. Question 2. If an object moves from rest regularly until its speed reaches 10 meters per second after 2 seconds from the start of a moving saw, the change of speed through 2 seconds is 10. The change of speed in 1 second, 10 over 2 equal 5. Acceleration, v2 minus v1 over time, 10 minus 0 over 2 equal 5 meters per second square. Question number 3. Distance 10 time 1, distance 20 meters time 2 seconds, 30 meters 3 seconds, 10 over 1, 20 over 2, 30 over 3. The answer is going to be 10. Therefore, this object moves at uniform speed because the speed doesn't change. Lesson 3. Define each of the following: vector, quantity, physical quantity that has a magnitude and a direction; scalar quantity, physical quantity that has only magnitude and no direction; displacement, distance covered in a certain direction. Number 2. If you move a distance of 5 meters northward and your colleague moves a distance of 5 meters southward, compare between the distance that you covered and the distance that your colleague covered. Both are equal, 5 meters. Displacement that you covered and displacement that your colleague covered, 5 meters but in opposite directions. Choose the right answer. The physical quantity that both its magnitude and direction are necessary for identifying it is vector quantity. Measurement units of velocity is number 1, meter per second. Complete. Dots is the covered distance in a constant direction and it is vector quantity. The answer is displacement. Dots is the value of displacement at a unit time and vector quantity. The answer is velocity. C is the quantity that is characterized by the magnitude only, scalar. D is the quantity that its magnitude and direction are necessary for identifying it. The answer is vector. Question number 5. A racer covered 50 meters northward within 30 seconds, then 100 meters eastward within 60 seconds, then 50 meters southward within 10 seconds, and then he returns back to the start point within 40 seconds. How long is the total distance the racer moved? 300 meters. What is the average speed of the racer? Total distance over the total time, 300 over total time 140 seconds. The answer is 2.14 meter per second. What is the displacement? What is the velocity? The answer is 0 because he returns back to the start point. Thank you.